Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the chart. Look at all that pandemonium, mayhem, disaster. Oh my God! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna stay calm and hodl on. That's what we're gonna do. Bitcoin is ready to go further down. Unfortunately, might get a bounce here at the 38.2, and then I would look for some of the signs to get into a short because we're most likely headed straight to the 61.8. And we're going to talk about that and more in today's episode. If you don't know, right now we're doing something special. We're doing something a little different today. We're every 2 hours I'm doing a video, and man, has it ever blown up. My goodness. It's clearly that's what you guys want, and I'm going to give it to you, right? So, yeah, we're going to have lots more of this in the future. Whenever there's a huge volatile move in the market, we're going to do these what I'm going to call them rapid fire videos, right? They're going to be called rapid fire. I'm going to have them in a playlist, rapid fire videos for a day, and yeah, we're going to just do every 2 hours, 15 minutes. So hit the like. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell button and all, because you're going to miss these rapid fires. You don't want to miss them, so make sure you do that. And then go down and scroll down to the bottom and join Bybit, FedEx, right? Or purchase the DJ15 token. Okay, my name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm here joined with Inti Campos.
Hello, people. How are you? It's not good morning anymore. It's good afternoon.
That's right.
Man, did you leave the rocket inside you, man? How the phrase user wah, 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 wah.
Yeah, it's crazy because you know what? The market's going down. Everybody's going nuts, right? It's just I've been reading some of the comments, man, as people are like losing their mind. Like, oh my goodness, I lost all my money.
But people, come on, tell us in the chat how many strong hands are in the chat right now.
Exactly.
Come on, yeah. You know what you have to do. You don't have to sell.
Exactly. So, but we have to get on to the content because we're going to be missing out, right? We only have like 10 minutes. So, Inti's got a few words to say before we get into the content.
Yes. This is the fourth time in the day that I have to remind you people that this video is for entertainment purposes only, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any of your hard-earned money on the market.
All right. Okay, so we only got 2 more minutes before we get to a new, a new hour, and usually on the hour there is some serious fireworks. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so this thing is turning around. Oh man, so the 5 minute has turned around on us. Too bad I missed that, right? I was like, is this gonna, because it was like really creeping down, and when it creeps down, although we were looking for it we were looking for the on the hourly. It had there was a divergence, but it wasn't confirmed, so we couldn't really count it as a divergence until it was confirmed. And we were looking to see if we can pick up something up later down here, but unfortunately it was not confirmed, which it had to go a little bit higher and then come back down and then go up. So that's okay. It's okay. It looks like Bitcoin's about to bounce here, so if it does bounce, I think you want to try to get it on the next time it comes back around. But that's if it bounces here. The 15 minute does not look so good as of yet, and the 5 minute has just peeked its head above the 13 EMA, and so we're in a new hour. Is it gonna pump? Are you gonna pump? No.
Maybe the market can listen to you.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on, pump.
Okay. Alrighty. So no pumping mentals, no pumpage. We're just gonna have to let it go. All right. So if we zoom out, right? I wanted to talk about this. Right. We zoom out. Let's zoom out to the 4 hour first, right? And we can see that this was definitely an ascending, broadening wedge, right? Bitcoin was in. And because of that, right, what we can determine from that, right? Let's see here. I want to move this so that there's more touch points. There we go. Sorry, I got 2 screens there, so I was looking at that top one. And yeah, I guess that's good enough. But anyways, this is clearly ascending broadening wedge, and when ascending broadening wedge breaks, which it officially broke right about here around the 35,000, where it tends to come back to is to where it first took off on the ascending broadening wedge, which is right here at approximately 23,000. And look what's here, 61.8, right? So we could say that this thing could come back here. Let's also take a look at from another fib level, actually, because I just noticed another fib level that might have significance. Yeah, there we go. It's also the 78.6 from the original bounce from 18,000-ish area, where it just it did a nice little cutesy W and then bounced. And so, yeah, there's a 78.6 also right there staring us right in the face. So there's lots of information telling us, hey, maybe Bitcoin's going to come down here. But first, we're probably going to see a bounce up to 38.2. We're close enough to it. I wouldn't be surprised if the bounce is already starting to happen right now as we speak. That is that's the logical point for Bitcoin to turn around. Let's head over to Ethereum. Ethereum, there was no chance of this coming, creating a new high, right, with Bitcoin dumping. So let's just clear all the drawing tools, and let's go to a longer time frame. Oof. Does that look brutal? That was a long stick down, man. Ooh, just looking at that scared the daylights out of me. All right, so from where the last possible turn, this is the most likely turn here. We can say, okay, let's draw the fibs from that turn, right? And yeah, the 61.8 is at 710 area, which was another key level, actually. I remember looking at that, and you know what? I probably burnt the main trend line. But let me see if I could draw it back again, because I just deleted all the drawing tools. So there was a clear trend line, which was like, it was deciding whether or not to break that trend line. It was just a crazy trend line, and I'm not sure if I have it again, because it was something. There it is. That was it. This was a crazy trend line somewhere right here. That's it. It was this was not quite it, because it was like more of like it was like touching this part right here, like it was here. It was. I remember it now. It touched this part right here, and then dumped. It's saying, yeah. I'm not gonna go down. I'm not gonna go up. I'm not gonna go up. And yeah, I'm gonna give you the middle finger and go higher. And look where the 61.8 is.
Oh my god. It's going to be literally the middle finger of the market. Look at you.
I know, exactly.
If we go to the 61.8.
I know, it's pretty much the finger, right? And yeah, crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much where we have Ethereum's likely target is for the downside. And yeah, Mountain Man, he's rating right there, just to buy this right now. Because he loves hitting the 61.8. I wouldn't be surprised if, right, that guy, he just has only fib tools. He has none of these pretty drawings and stuff like that. He only has one thing. He doesn't have the 38.2. He doesn't have 78.6. He doesn't have the 88.6. He only has one line, 61.8. He's looking for that, and he's looking to hit that. And so, yeah, if you've got the stones to hit the 61.8, because it's going to probably come screaming at you, you might be able to make some money. But where's your stop loss, right? I mean, it could be the 78.6, right? But that's the problem, right? You have to manage risk properly and know when to get out when the trade goes against you, because not every single time. If you have a system, you have to understand in the market, you have to understand that it's not 100%. It's not 100%. Okay. that's all for right now. The next 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this short brief. Right, Inti and I will be back for I think 2 more episodes. What do you think? Can you do 2 more, Inti?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course I can.
So another 2 hours, and then another 2 hours, so 4 more hours. Then we're done for the day. I think this is going to be fun. I think we're going to see maybe we've already seen in less than 48 hours, Bitcoin has dumped $10,000. Think about that.
Oh my god.
Think about that. That's the first time
Oh my
we've seen
god.
a $10,000 move in a 24-hour period. But don't worry, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay. You need to be a part of it, even if it's
Your
painful.
face when you say that.
Even if it's painful. Thank you for watching. Cheers, people.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Oh my god.